Hello guys and teacher. Start. Activity task 1. Description. What is your full name? My full name is Yerli Vanessa Urrego Duarte. Where are you from? I am from Bogota. Where do you live? I live in Ibagué. What is your email address? My email is yerliwan3@gmail.com. yerliwan3@gmail.com. What do you do? Your occupation? I am studying and working. How old are you? I am 21 years old. What are your hobby? Mention at least 3 activities. Example: reading, walking, and single. What is your favorite food? Mention the last 3 different types of food: pizza, Mexican food, fish food. Continue my strengths and weaknesses. Strengths 1. I can introduce myself in English. 2. I can read text short in English. 3. I can sing in English. Weakness 1. I can't understand people when they speak English. 2. My pronunciation is very bad. I can't speak with people in English. Strategies. I sing music. I sing music in English. I watch TV with English subtitles. Reading in English and research the words I don't understand. I teach my brother English words. Sometimes I mention English words in a conversation. Thank you. Goodbye.